Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can log in Questco Prism HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, to get logged in, you need to open your web browser in your Macbook. So once you open a preferred web browser, type in the URL www.qe.prismhr.com/QUE/AUTH. To do this, you'll end up in this page. You need to simply type in your username and your password of your account and hit the login button to get logged in. However, if you are new, then tap on the register button to get enrolled, and if you have forgotten your username or password, tap on forgot username or tap on forgot password. After you do this, you'll get logged in your Questco Prism HR. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.